All right, 7 a.m. We've started our hike. How you feeling, Caitlin?
Cold.
Hopefully it'll get a little warmer. We're just hoping for no thunderstorms and we'll be happy. Brother, I just found something a little weird. Brother. Holy moly. It's raining. It's cold. Woohoo! Out of this fucking bed. Each time we've made it to a freaking lake, it starts raining. It's fucking hailing. It was a little scary though. There was thunder and lightning. So here we are, having snacks by a tree. We made it to the second pass. You can see Lake McDonald. You can see Sperry Chalet. Oh my god. Majestic ass marmot right there. Here we are at the Sperry Chalet. It's closed for winter. Well, over 16 miles and we finally have our sunshine. 2 miles left. Whoa, he just flipped over. Woohoo! We did it.
We did it.
We did it.